Oh yeah, it's been a while since we've been through them. You can smell them as well, Jesus. Oh, gross, there it is. Right, so we're here, parked up just behind us. As you just seen, this is the entrance. It's a lovely little walk. There's two ways. You can either go the nice easy way. If you can figure out how to get there. There's technically three ways, isn't there?
Yes.
You've got the walk that goes up and over, up and down, and this is going to be muddy as hell. Good job we got boots and wellies tonight. And second route is over the bridge, over the sty, through the woods. Or you can go over the bridge, follow the path round, and it links onto the road, which is a nice smooth way of going. We ain't decided which way we're going yet. Yeah. So we're going to fight through these little buggers today. Hello. No? Okay. Not open for business today. Sun's behind us. We're going to be, yeah, it's going to be a cold hike up, but I think we're going to go. I can see you. Yeah, still there. Yeah, we're going to go up the hiking route, so to speak. But yeah, it's absolutely drop dead gorgeous. That river, stream, whatever you want to call it, links all the way up to the waterfall. And many moons ago, we decided to have a swim in that all the way down. Me, Gaz and Mark, weren't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that was better. Yeah, we stripped our underwear and literally from, I think it's pretty much from the waterfall all the way down, swam in it all the way down to the bottom. Certain sections you had to get out because you couldn't get through, but didn't even think about it back then. It was ice cold water. Literally freezing cold. Just, yeah, let's play in the water.
Put your shoes back on and we hung your underpants up in the tree.
Yeah, yeah, we sat around here, didn't we?
We came back here for a picnic.
Yeah.
Got eaten by mud.
It is a pity wild camping's not allowed in Wales and England, because there are plenty of places here to do it. Oh yeah, I know they do.
And that's his ears all horns.
Horns.
A ram.
Yeah, it's a ram.
He looks a bit naughty, doesn't he?
Yeah, that's definitely a ram.
Oh,
I'm going to shut up now. I'll just record clips all the way up, and then the drone will be coming out at a certain point. So yeah, I'll see you all at the waterfall. We ain't the fittest of people. That's for damn certain. But that don't look like it's a gradient. It's like that. That used to have grassy knolls all the way down it. So you'd step, well, basically nature's stairs. Not anymore. Yeah, let's make it nice hardcore for people to walk up. Gross. But the one reason we're here is that big beautiful thing there. And that's just the top of it. Now there are some pools at the very top of there. And I still can't believe we hiked all the way up that.
Mm-hmm. We have a brow at the top.
Yeah. Yeah, when we were kids, we actually went all the way up the top. And there's 2 resting pools up there. Wow. Oh, this is. So that's the other path, which is the easier path. But unfortunately, you're not allowed to go down there at the moment. As you've seen a little bit earlier on my clips, they're actually cutting all the trees down. Just up there. But you don't want to see that. You want to see that. Right, so I've been promising you for about 8 videos, probably longer than that, to come and see this. So here's a quick glimpse on the camera. And now flipping to the drone. Just before I switch over to the drone, for those of you who know me, it was my birthday yesterday. I might put this up before everything else, but I don't know yet. This might come out in a few weeks. But I got a new present. Landing pad. So it's 2-sided, depending on what you want to use. I like the orange because you can see it. But yeah, just wanted to shout it off.
All right, mister, what do you think you're doing? mister. What do you think you're doing?
There you go. There's the waterfall that I've been promising for ages. It's probably some of the best drone work I've ever done. Apart from trying to snake it under that tree. That one big branch. Dad waving his arms off to the right and me going, right, up, down, over. We're really happy with that. I'm really glad we came. I'm going to put a photo up now. Hoping I took it. I'm pretty sure I did. That first white car is mine. That second white car was a couple that just turned up. Took 3 photos and buggered off. Don't know about the van, that was there when we were driving. That whole car park. Seriously, I had a rant at him about it. That whole car park. And they park next to me. I don't know whether people do it just to wind me up.
They need the company.
Or it's just so they feel more protected because they're next to another car. Or it's because they're white cars and they're white buddies, white friends. Stop doing it! Anyway. So yeah, unfortunately we can't go back down the other path like I said, it's completely locked off. Even though surprisingly, whilst I'd literally just landed my drone to change the battery. You wouldn't have, I didn't have my camera on, we heard 4 or 5 lovely bangs while we were walking up. And we're assuming they're shotguns. People are out hunting grouse or pheasants. And these lovely troop of people on the other side of the fence, walking up in all their hunting gear. And of course, I sent the drone up. They drove up that road. So, whether they're part of the estate and because it's shut they're doing the hunting, or they've just gone, sod it, we're going up there or not, I don't know. But, it's my tree. But yeah, there she is in all glory. And what we can see from down here, now you can see the slope. So at the top, get your finger out of the way. You can see that slope. You can't see that from underneath. But on the drone you can see it magnificently. So I'm really happy. Really, really happy. And I'm glad I got to come up here with my dad as well. But I'm going to shut up. I'm going to enjoy the walk back. And I think we're going to go get coffee. Go cafe. Maybe the hotel, we don't know. Go and get somewhere warm. So I'll see you wherever we go.